Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone app icons are grayed out. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android phone is infested with these ghost apps. When I tap them, they redirect me to the Play Store to install them, and I can't interact with them except by moving them to folders or the home screen. I don't know what the solution is, and I don't want my phone to be like this. Has anyone else experienced the same grayed out app icons on an Android device as I have? How do you fix grayed out apps on an Android phone? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know Android phone app icons go gray, don't panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Apps are disabled. The solution is to unblock disabled apps. Apps on your Android phone may have been disabled without your knowledge, and disabled apps can also cause grayed out app icons. If only a single app is disabled on your Android phone, this could be the cause. To check and unblock the disabled apps, open Settings, then find and select Apps. Find the app in question and re-enable it. Cause 2. Theme issue. The solution is to reset the theme. Some theme settings on your Android phone can also cause grayed out apps, especially if you're using a theme that's not suitable for the app. You may have selected the Themed Icons Beta feature under Wallpaper and Style in Settings. Resetting the theme should fix grayed out apps on your Android phone. Cause 3. In Safe Mode, the solution is to exit Safe Mode. Safe Mode only runs essential apps, and third-party apps cannot run in Safe Mode. Therefore, if your Android phone is currently in Safe Mode, third-party apps will appear grayed out. To resolve this issue, exit your Android phone's Safe Mode. To check if your phone is in Safe Mode, check the bottom left corner of the screen for the Safe Mode icon. If so, your Android phone is in Safe Mode. To exit Safe Mode, simply restart your Android phone. After restarting, check again to see if the issue with app icons on Android phone turning gray has resolved. Cause 4. Apps not installed correctly. The solution is to reinstall the apps. If your Android phone's data was restored from a backup on an old phone, this can also cause apps to appear grayed out on your new phone. The backed up data may not be installable on the new phone, so you'll only see grayed out apps. In this case, simply re-download the apps from the App Store. Cause 5. Software glitch. The solution is to restart. The many app icons lost color issue can also occur when your Android phone has a software glitch. One of the best ways to fix software glitches is to restart your Android device. This step is simple, please follow along. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then, tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. Once completed, check to see if your apps have returned to normal. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you get rid of gray icons from home screen on Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.